Today I'm going to review for you guys this mini PC by ACEMAGIC. This is the AM08 Pro AMD Ryzen 9 AD08 Intel Core i9 mini PC. So let's go ahead and open up the box, see what all we have inside, go over the features and functionality of this mini PC and see if this is the right choice for you. Packaging is very nice, has a soft close box. And here you can see that we have our mini PC, so almost the size of my hand, and kind of crazy because we are going from those big CPUs to these mini PCs now that are really great. So I'm excited to review this with you guys today and then see how this actually works and if this is the good bang for your buck. They also give you a user manual. We have our HDMI cord and we have our power cable and our charging adapter. So here you can see that we have our PC. We have the USB-C port and then the USB port. We have an audio jack. Then here's the power button. And then if you look up top, we have our silent mode, auto mode, and performance mode. So it's nice how you can just change them very easily. We have the ACEMAGIC logo here. And then on the back, you can see we have more USB port, 2 HDMI. We have our LAN port, and we have our charging port. And we also have the ventilation system, and you can see it says Mighty. So it looks pretty awesome. Now let's go ahead and plug it in and turn it on, see what it looks like. So now that we have turned on our ACEMAGIC mini PC here, you can see we have very nice and bright RGB lights here on top. The ACEMAGIC logo lights up, and we have RGB lights on the side that has like a honeycomb type shape. Looks pretty cool. And then also the power button lights up here, you can see. And as I change the mode, the light also changes. So I'm currently on auto. So if I go into silent, it goes into blue. And then if I go into auto again, green, and performance is red. So you are able to tell exactly which mode you're in. The PC setup is quite simple. You just need to follow the instructions, connect it to your internet, and you should be ready to go. So as soon as you have the PC set up, it gives you the option for the RGB lighting control. And you can see here that we have it under auto. You can also turn it off, and you can see that our monitor doesn't have the RGB lights anymore. And I can also put it on rainbow, so it changes from color to color. As you can see, it's moving back and forth. And we can also do breathe. And then you can also do a cycle. The side panel over here is easily removable. It's just held up by some magnets. So that way you can get access to all of your stuff here. And this is very upgrade friendly. You can have dual channel DDR5 4800 MHz, maximum support 64G. Your M2 SSD can support NVMe and NGFF. 2 protocol support, quick release, expand to 2.5 HDD, and maximum support of 2 terabytes. This mini PC features an efficient cooling module. The whole machine adopts a side air inlet and rear air inlet, high performance dual fans, so overall performance is 55% higher than the previous generation. And with the fact that we have 2 HDMI ports on the back and a Type-C port, you're able to support 3 screens with 4K display. And it already has Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. This mini PC features the Windows 11 Pro. We have the processor AMD, and CPU is AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX. And your memory type is DDR5x2. And then we have a RAM of 16 gigabytes of DDR5x2, max 64 gigabytes. And your memory speed is 3.3 gigahertz up to 4.9 gigahertz. This is the AM08 Pro series. You have the GPU of AMC Radeon 680M. Hard drive interface is M.2x1, PCIe NVMe. And then hard drive is M.2x1 PCIe NVMe, 512 GB max, 2 terabyte. So over here, I put the PC on full performance mode and we are running some PC test. So I'm going to share the result with you guys as soon as the tests are done running. So our results are back. Let's go ahead and take a look to see what user benchmark has given us. We have some information over here regarding our PC. And then you can see this PC performs above expectation in the 76th percentile. You can see here for our processor, Intel Core i9, we are at 87.3%, which we got a rating of excellent. And here's some load, normal, heavy, and then server. And you can see that it's performing as expected. And you can see the average benchmark is about 89%. So we are right in a good spot. And on the graphics card, you can see we have a score of 8%, which is marked as terrible. But if you can see here, for 53,000 users, average bench is around 7%. So in that case, we are doing better than the average. So it's performing above expectation at 84th percentile. And then we also have our drive. For our drive, we received a 285%, which is outstanding. And we are way above the average benchmark percentage here, as you can see, and performing way above expectation at 100% percentile. And you guys can also look at the sequential, random 4K, and then a deep Q 4K. These are all absolutely amazing numbers. And over here on the memory kit, we have a 84.3%, which is excellent. And we are also above the average here. And you can see the multi-core, single core, and the latency over here of 89.8 ns. Over here, you can see the system memory latency letter. So I think overall for the mini PC, I think these are absolutely amazing numbers. So I think this would be perfectly fine if you wanted to do any gaming or for everyday use for your office work or whatnot. So I just wanted to click on some stuff and then see how fast it can load and how fast the PC is. As you can see, I'm clicking on different things and it actually loads pretty fast. So as long as you have a good internet connection too with this good processor, I think you will have no problem doing your work every single day under heavy load also. Gaming also seems to be really good on this PC. I didn't have any lag, and you guys can see that the graphics also look pretty good. With 11 Gen i9, 8 cores, 16 thread, max boost clock up to 4.9 GHz, and Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics, this PC delivers up to 0.4% better performance in multitasking computing compared to AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX. Compared with Intel Core i7 1360p, i9 11980HK, i9 11995OH, ACEMAGIC AD08 mini PC, i9 11900H will be more powerful, providing faster speed and efficiency for work environment or entertainment. And you can take your business to the next level with this mini PC and having the multitask mode. So you can choose from silent, auto, and performance mode to suit your needs and enjoy the energy efficient saving features. So I'm going to show you guys a little test of the sound as to which setting it's running in. So right now you can see that it's running on the silent setting and you can barely hear it. So I'm not going to turn it to auto. Color changes. And you can hear the fan picking up. So even on auto, it's still pretty low, and now change it to performance. And the sound picks up drastically for the fan. With up to 16 gigabytes of DDR4 2666 RAM, dual channel DDR4, and then the 2x M2 NVMe SSD, you will experience lightning fast load times and nearly double the throughput of a single drive. Plus, with the 512 gigabytes of storage space, you'll have plenty of room for all of your daily use, business, home theater on this mini desktop computer. And you can stay connected and say goodbye to the delays with the i9 11900H mini desktop PC. This is featuring a 1G RJ45 port, Wi-Fi 6 standard radio, and Bluetooth 5.2 technology, so you will enjoy peak interface bandwidth, efficiency, and reliability with lower latency and less lag, making it more responsive and performance beast. So I hope you enjoyed my review of the ACEMAGIC mini PC, the Mighty. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.